Hello, Dre.
Hey,
How are you today?
doing good.
Repairing doors, huh?
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about what you are doing there.
I'm putting tape on the corners. Because like the stuff we spray or we put on the corner, it won't get in the inside the corner.
Yeah, perfect, exactly. So I don't. Folks at Mohawk have kind of told me to keep this a little bit of a secret, but I tell you what, it's been over a year now. I'm gonna do a live video about it. One of the things that I love to use, sorry Jeff, is Mohawk Instant Adhesive. Now this one is the medium thin, but I'll tell you a little something. I've had this for a year, so now it's thickety thick. So it they got thin, they got medium, and then they've got thick. Oh, and look, this I knocked this out. Would you clean this up for me? Look at the instant adhesive that I just spilled. Knocked over. Now the good thing about it is I do have, careful, it will glue yours. Use that rag. I do have some, that's what this is. Now wipe it once and then throw the rag away. Like really quickly.
Alright. You got me in the church.
Okay, yeah, good choice. So I do have some of this stuff. This is debonding stuff. So as soon as he wipes it, put something underneath you. One rag underneath, like part of it. Yeah. Yeah, scoop that off into itself. Boom, don't get it on you, throw it away. Did you get it on you? Water ain't gonna do nothing but set it off. That's what this stuff is for. Okay. Did you get it on you? There you go. You can get that off with that.
I gotta rub my hands good?
Yep. It's liquid, bro.
I know it.
All right, so one of the things that we run into all the time is 45s right here. Now, some of them are good enough, but some of them aren't. And one of the drawbacks from bringing the doors all the way down is that whatever sealer and top coat was on that is gone. So sometimes it'll open up on you. Now, you don't want to put in caulking in there. Even Loctite Power Grab, it won't work in there. So this is what we do to that. I'm going to show you. Dre's working on getting his hands clean. It'll come off. Yeah, just don't stick your finger to your forehead for about 2 hours. Okay, hold on a second. Everybody stop texting me, please. All right. So what we're doing is we're coming back and we're going to put this black instant adhesive in there. Can you grab this for me real quick? Camera. Don't get nothing on it. The reason why we put this stuff in here is because if this adhesive gets in there, it's almost impossible to clean it out. Just keep it real still and let it focus. And it's actually gluing the door back together too. And then I activate it. If it's a real big one, you can do it twice. Let the first one kind of settle in there. And then hit it again. But you can see it going away right there. Take the activator, bang, 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 bang. Got another one for you. Might as well just do them all. Some of them only have a little bit. Some of them primer will fill. But guess what? I'm not going to wait and see. I don't know if anybody out there is timing me, but it's pretty quick to do this, especially if you've got that tape up there and you don't have to stop and clean anything out. So just to give you an idea of how fast that dries, it's dry. I mean, I wait a little bit to sand it, but that's dry. Now we're going to take the door that's finished. And we're going to take 180. The hook part, man. There it is. So that's a perfectly glued and sanded corner that I know when I put primer on there, it's not going to move. Also, I wanted to show you how we change out this. So this vac pump is really awesome. Is it what?
You gotta push it all the way down.
No, I didn't push it down all the way, huh?
Yep. This should be right here.
There it is. Yeah. There's a couple of things that I've learned about this this glue. One of them, it doesn't work as good if it's over top of primer or if it's over top of any type of finish. It likes to kind of crumple up. But if it's on raw wood, it sands off real easy. So also if you have somebody helping you and the door is loose, if you pull the door apart, then put that stuff in there and let it close back and activate it, it's really going to give you a good bond. Okay, so remember how many seconds it took me to apply it? and watch how many seconds it takes me. And see, this thing is nice and sturdy now. And that is why we are the best. It's going to be a beautiful one-piece door. Now, if there's any seams that need to be filled on these 45s, I'm going to fill those with Loctite Power Grab, because after we put the Isolante, the 643, and the 1341, I mean, before we put the top coat, we're going to be Loctiting these doors and making them look really nice. Okay, other thing I wanted to share, check this out. So my friend Christy Aaron, I can't even, Christy, her husband, we went to school together. I got these Norwex Enviro cloths. They're really, really amazing microfiber cloths. And with every cabinet refinishing job that I do, I'm going to be giving one of these to my customer to clean their cabinets with. So these cloths are like really, really amazing. You can just use water and pick up most everything that it needs. They're just amazing, amazing cloths. I don't even really know all of the details about them, but I do know that they are really fantastic. So, cool little gift idea. This is gonna be hanging in the kitchen. When they have something on the cabinets, they're gonna get this and just put water on it and go. So shout out to Christy, thank you so much. What else we got? That's it. Okay, well, talk to you soon.